Yes, student, next now today we're going to solve our problem, that is Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box like structure. So there is a person who want to make a shelter for her car, for the car, and the structure he wants to give is box like structure with tarpaulin. Temporary, so it means he is using the tarpaulin type cloth that covers all the four sides. Now where the tarpaulin will be used, all the four sides and the top of the car. So tarpaulin will be used on all the four side and the top, but on the floor it will not be used. With the front face, in the front face it will be used but will not be stitched, will be used as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small, for stitching margin are very small, so we have to take it negligible. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter? How much tarpaulin means we have to find the area of the cloth. Tarpaulin used to make the shelter, the height of the shelter is given 2.5 and its base dimension is given 4 meter into 3 meter. So we have to find the area of the tarpaulin. So area of tarpaulin will be equal to, we have to find where the tarpaulin is used on the curved surface area. This is also called as lateral. For cuboid we can, in place of curved we can write lateral. Curved or lateral surface area of cuboid means on the four walls plus top plus front. In these faces the tarpaulin is used. Now if we see the surface area, only which surface is left? Only the base surface is left. So in cuboid 5 surfaces are there, only base surface is left. So we can also take it like this. We can take the total surface area of cuboid, and in this we're going to subtract the area of base. This way we can use the relation. So area of tarpaulin will be equal to total surface area of cuboid, and we're going to subtract area of base. Why? Because according to this condition what we have observed that only the surface area where the tarpaulin is not used is area of base. So we can subtract the area of base from the total surface area of the cuboid. Cuboid is 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. We have to subtract area of base. If we take the base of a cuboidal box, then in the base the dimension that are used is length and breadth. So if we're going to take its area, it will be equal to length into breadth. So we're going to write length into breadth. So 2 LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus LB. So we can solve LB and LB. Let us do the basic calculation. LB, and here is 2 and here is 1. So 1 will be cancelled. It will give L into B plus. And in these two will be taken as common. And what are as common? Height is common. What is left? Base plus length. So we can say the area of four walls can be taken as 2 into height into length plus breadth, or breadth plus length, and the area of the top. Now put the values. Length is given base dimension is given 4 meter into 3 meter. It means first value is for length and second is for breadth. So it is 4 into 3 and height is given 2.5. Here base is given 3 and length is 4. So do the calculation. 4 3 12. These two 5.0. 4 plus 3 will give 7. So 12 plus 5.0 means 5, 7, 5, 35, and adding both of them will get 47. So we can say the area of the tarpaulin is 47 square meter. So this way we can find the area of the tarpaulin used for making the temporary shelter for the car. Thank you.